Hello, kids! Welcome to our fun and exciting animal alphabet adventure. Today, we're going to learn our ABCs with the help of some amazing animals. Are you ready? Let's get started. Letter A is for ant. Ants are tiny but very strong insects. Letter B is for butterfly. Butterflies have beautiful, colorful wings. Letter C is for cow. Cows give us milk and say, moo. Letter D is for dog. Dogs are loyal and friendly pets. E is for elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals with long trunks. Letter F is for fish. Fish live in water and swim with their fins. Letter G is for giraffe. Giraffes have long necks to reach high leaves. Letter H is for horse. Horses are strong and can run very fast. Letter I is for impala. Impalas are graceful animals found in Africa. Letter J is for jaguar. Jaguars are big cats with beautiful spots. Letter K is for kangaroo. Kangaroos have strong legs and can jump really far. Letter L is for lion. Lions are known as the kings of the jungle. Letter M is for monkey. Monkeys are playful and love to climb trees. Letter N is for newt. Newts are small amphibians that can live both in water and on land. Letter O is for octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms and can change colors. Letter P is for parrot. Parrots are colorful birds that can mimic sounds. Letter Q is for quail. Quails are small birds that often stay on the ground. Letter R is for rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and love to hop. Letter S is for starfish. Starfish live in the ocean and have 5 arms. Letter T is for tiger. Tigers have beautiful stripes and are powerful hunters. Letter U is for urchin. Sea urchins are spiky creatures that live in the ocean. Letter V is for vulture. Vultures are large birds that help clean up nature. Letter W is for warthog. Warthogs have tusks and love to roll in the mud. Letter X is for xerus. Xerus is a type of ground squirrel found in Africa. Letter Y is for yak. Yaks have long hair and live in cold mountains. Letter Z is for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes and look like horses. Great job, kids! You did an amazing job learning the alphabet with these incredible animals. Remember, learning can be fun and exciting. Don't forget to practice your ABCs and discover more about the wonderful world of animals. Bye-bye. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun learning videos.